If you want to create a travel slow motion trend video on TikTok using a CapCut template, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. This style is super popular right now because it gives your travel clips that smooth, cinematic velocity effect that performs really well on TikTok. It is also one of the easiest ways to make your videos look polished without having to edit everything manually from scratch. So if you've been looking for a fast way to turn your travel footage into a trend-style edit, you're in the right place. And before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut and TikTok tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once you're on the home page, do not open a project yet. Instead, look over to the far left sidebar and click on the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its ready-made trending edits, including the ones used for TikTok-style travel videos. Templates are a huge time saver because they automatically control the pacing, transitions, and effects for you. All you have to do is add your own clips. Now, in the search bar, type either travel slow motion or velocity travel. These are the kinds of keywords that usually bring up the trend templates people are using for this style. If you do not see the exact one right away, try a few related searches like travel velocity, slow motion travel, or TikTok travel template. CapCut often updates these templates, so the names can vary a little depending on what is trending at the moment. Once you find a template that looks right, click it to preview the edit. This is an important step because you want to make sure the pacing, transitions, and overall vibe match the kind of video you want to create. When previewing, look for templates that have the TikTok icon or a velocity tag, since those are usually designed for short-form social media content. If the motion looks smooth and the timing feels dramatic, that is usually a good sign you found the right one. After that, click the plus button to use the template. CapCut will now open the template editor and prepare the slots for your media. These slots are the placeholders where your own travel clips will go. You may see something like clip 1, clip 2, or multiple slots with specific time lengths such as 3.5 seconds or 0.5 seconds. That is completely normal. The template is telling you exactly how much footage it expects in each section, so the timing stays perfectly matched to the trend. Next, go to the Media tab and find the travel clips you want to use. These can be clips from a vacation, city walk, beach footage, airport shots, mountain views, or any travel content that fits the vibe. Drag each clip into the matching slot one by one. Try to choose clips with clear movement, because velocity and slow motion templates work best when there is motion in the footage. For example, walking shots, turning shots, car window shots, or scenery reveals all look amazing in this style. As you replace the media, keep an eye on how the clips fit into the template. If a clip feels too short or too long, you may need to trim or reselect a different section of the footage so the motion lines up properly. The goal is to let the template do the heavy lifting while still making sure your footage looks clean and intentional. If one clip does not fit the vibe, swap it out until the sequence feels smooth from start to finish. Once all of your travel clips are placed into the template, play it back and preview the result. This is where you can check whether the slow motion effect, transitions, and beat timing are working well together. If everything looks good, you are almost done. At this stage, you can also make tiny adjustments if needed, but in most cases, the template will already give you a great final look with very little effort. Now it is time to export. Click the export button and let CapCut render your video. Depending on your settings and the length of your clips, this may take a little while. Once the export is finished, your travel slow motion trend video is ready to upload to TikTok. You can add your caption, hashtags, and music on TikTok, or keep everything ready and post it right away. And that is how you create a travel slow motion trend video on TikTok using a CapCut template. It is fast, beginner friendly, and one of the best ways to make your travel content stand out. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.